There are so many beginning readers out there. Today I'm going to share with you one of the favorites that we use that pairs excellently with Explore the Code. Welcome back to one of my one-item spotlights. I'm just going to share with you one thing that we are using. I have a series of these, so be sure to check that series out when you are done watching this one. The program I'm going to share with you is called Progressive Phonics. These are free readers that require the mom or teacher and the student to read them together. It's written in 2 different color fonts, so all the black words are ones that you read, and those are the more difficult words, and then the red ones are the ones that your child reads. And they start out with the alphabet books, and in those you will read what the sound says and the child will read the letter. As you go on from there, you progress into the beginning series, which are CVC type words. The intermediate series work with blends like BL, FR, those type of things. And then the advanced readers have different focuses. There's endings, there's hard and soft, CGS, silent E's, all those exceptions and tricks to the rules of phonics. These, like I said, pair really well with Explore the Code series, which is why we started using them, because they're clearly identified, and so you can just kind of look at them and pair with whatever lesson you are doing. These are a PDF, so you can either print them out or you can put them onto a tablet. I put them onto our iPad and use the iBooks feature to read with or read through them. There are also handwriting books, and there's activity books to go with each of these. I have not used either one of those, though, so I can't speak to those. I do love the phonics, or the readers, though. They are really good. They're fun. I like the way it pairs a parent reading and a child reading. I really like that combination. Oftentimes, at least with my kids, child will read, and then you'll try and figure out when to step in when they're struggling with the word, but this kind of has it all ready for you. And so the red words are a lot of repetition, so your child learns to identify them by sight, but also in the context of the story. The illustrations are really good. Obviously, free is wonderful. So those are the Progressive Phonics readers. If you have any questions about them, be sure to leave them below. The link to the Progressive Phonics website will be down below as well. I've used them with all 3 of my kids, and I just think they're a great option, especially because they're free, to supplement in with reading, especially for those early readers who don't have enough words yet to read stories. If you are interested, I also have an Explore the Code spotlight video, and I have one up on Bob readers, which are start with CVC words when your child is ready to do a couple of CVC words at a time. So those will be on the playlist that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.